Hey, what's up, you guys? This is Joe Martin. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm going to start the presentation here and hold 1 second. There we go. Let's go back to the first slide. I want to welcome everybody to the web design course, Global 23rd Big Brother. Okay, we're going to be talking about a few things in this course, some beautiful things in this course. This is going to actually help you grow your network, and it's also going to help you grow your net worth, because your network determines your net worth. I started my first company in 2004 at the age of 24, and I chose to do web design. It was web design business development, because I had a passion for helping people. I wanted to see people grow, and I wanted to be a part of their growth. It's a beautiful thing when you're able to create something for somebody. Like I always tell people, when you look at the web, right? When you look at this screen that you're looking at, that's my canvas. Okay, that's my canvas, and I got to be better than Picasso. I want to deliver something with so much energy, a good vibe, a good look, and a good feel. Because this is the first thing that most people see when they're doing business with somebody. The first thing that they see is their website. When you meeting somebody out in public and you say, hey, here go my business card, I do such and such, such and such, such and such. Me personally, when I get home, the first thing that I usually do is I go to their website. And I want to see what type of energy I'm getting from that website. So by you being the creator and you being the artist, always make sure that you put something together. Don't never stamp anything with your name on it without you making sure and knowing that it got a great look and a great feel. Okay, so welcome to the web design course. Now, what we're about to do now, let's jump into a presentation outline, so we can talk about a few things on what you're going to get out of this course. Okay, presentation outline. So first, of course, I'm going to talk about who I am. Who am I? Who is Joe Martin? Who is Big Brother? Okay, tell you guys a little bit of my story. Okay, tell you how I've grown to where I've grown and how I built a six-figure business. And it wasn't easy either. I'm gonna let you guys know that it wasn't easy. Okay. Then we're gonna talk about passion, right? What is it that you're passionate about? Why are you doing what you're doing? Why do you want to become a business owner? Why do you want to learn how to build websites? What's the main reason for you wanting to learn how to build websites? Okay. Next, we're going to talk about business development. I want to walk you through structuring your business. And this is an extra. I'm going to throw it in because you guys know I do business development. We do business credit, personal credit, a lot of things, But on the business development, before we get into the business, I want you to have your business structured the right way. Okay. Now, after business development, we're going to talk about branding your brand. Okay. This is what most people see when they see you. They see your brand before they see you. Most of the times they don't even see you. They only see your brand. Okay. So branding your brand. We want to make sure that your brand stands out. And like I said, good energy, good look, good feel. And you just want the right chemistry, the right atmosphere. So we're going to talk about branding your brand. And graphic design. This is basically, how you create everything, content creation. When you learn how to build your own content, the sky's the limit. You can do all things, whether you want to just do content creation for other businesses or you want to just do content creation for yourself. Okay. Everything that I built, I put my hands on it. So I've created all the content for every one of my companies. And this is the beautiful thing about knowing how to do this, is because now you know how to create content. So anytime an idea comes to mind, you could jump right on it. You could jump right on it and get straight to it. Okay. Graphic design tools. I'm gonna walk you through a few things that I like. And it's always about time versus money with me, because I want to do something that's efficient, that's not too time consuming, something that I could jump in, create something real professional, jump out, put it where it need to be. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a few design tools. Web design. Now this is the freshman, so this is the beginning. All right, we're gonna talk about web design. Um, Number 8, we're gonna talk about choosing your domain. Okay, whatever your business is, you want to make sure you got a professional domain. You want your. I always tell people to think bigger than King Kong. You know, um, and you want it to be appealing towards every genre of people. Because you never know who you're gonna cross paths with, and you don't want to build something that's not professional. So, choosing your domain. Web hosting. Now, we're gonna talk about web hosting. This is where you're going to set up all the things that's on your servers. So when you're when you're helping somebody, and I'm going to show you how to make money with web hosting as well. I'm going to show you how to make money with that as well, because you can make about, let's do the math. Let me see. We're going to talk about it, because I'm going to show you how to make money with web hosting as well. So we're going to talk about that. All right, now we're going to go into the sophomore course, which is web design. Now we're talking about databases and cPanels. Okay, your cPanel is where where all your files are usually at, and if you have to do like back end things, on that website, you might have to do some back end work. So we're going to walk through a phase of we're talking about cPanels and databases and things like that, and I'm going to show you guys the inside of my cPanel and my databases so that you can see a little bit about that. Okay, now we're going into subdomains. Now what a subdomain is, say if my company is global23rd.com, I could do a subdomain that says shop.global23rd.com. Okay, that's a subdomain. Anything that you put in front of your main domain. So if your company is outline.com, you could do a subdomain that says store.outline.com or something along the line of that. But you could build as many subdomains as you want. Okay, and you don't have to keep paying for different domain names, because these are all subdomains. Okay, emails. Now I tell people all the time, you want a professional email. So if your company is Bubble, let's just say your company is Bubble Corporation, you don't want bubblecorporation@gmail.com. You want to take that Gmail off. You want to take that Yahoo off. You want to take that Hotmail off. You want it to say business@bubble.com or info@bubble.com. You want a professional email. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to build out emails and things like that attached to your domain. All right, now web design, junior course. All right, now we're going to talk about WordPress. WordPress, I want to say almost 95 to 98% of all businesses is built on a WordPress platform. Okay, WordPress is a beautiful platform. I've been working with WordPress for the last 17 years. They're not going anywhere. I love WordPress, and so I'm gonna show you how to build it out through WordPress. Okay. Now, 15, web design, senior course. All right. So now we're gonna talk about the actual build out of the website. Okay. So we're gonna talk about the actual build out of the website, and we're gonna walk you through building your own website first, or you could build a sample website, but we're gonna walk you through building your own. Okay. All right, and then marketing for millions. Now, after you got everything structured and everything built out, now it's time to market your business. Okay, so now we got so many tools that we use for marketing. I'm gonna tell you what works for me, and then along the way while you're building, you'll pick up more tools as well. But this is where you want to make sure you spend a lot of time at with marketing, because at some point in time, eventually, once you help enough people, you will start getting a lot of traction from word of mouth. So it'll be a lot of people that's coming to you based off of somebody else that you helped. So now they're gonna be like, hey, I went to such and such, such and such, they did this for me. And then your name is gonna spread like wildfire. And then once your name spread, then at that moment, you get a lot of warm clients, people that know of you. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to do things like that. And then we got a bonus, which is the Accelerator. So I'm gonna show you a few things that I use to get websites done quickly. Okay, and then I'm gonna show you how to build out certain things so that you could really, because it's always time versus money with me. I want to show you how to make. I'm gonna show you how to make $5,000 in a day. Okay, now you got to work to get that. You got to have the clientele to get that. But I'm gonna show you how to make $5,000 a day. Okay. And that's the outline of this web design course. So it's a beautiful thing. If you're looking at this video and you're interested, make sure you jump on board. It's a lot of information here we're going to be sharing. I'm going to walk you through it, and I'll see you on the other side. So y'all have a great day. Peace.